What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to swap cryptocurrencies from one chain to another, pretty much from any chain that's out there, and also you can do privately as well. But before I show you how to do that, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So we're going to be taking a look at this website. It's called Baltex.io, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below. This offers private cross-chain swaps and also regular swaps. There is a difference in the cost. If you do private, it's going to charge you a little bit more. So to get started, just go to this website and press on get started or exchange now, doesn't matter, and it's going to take you to another page. And right here you're going to see an option to choose from either BTC or whatever you're trying to swap. So let's say, for example, we're going to be swapping from Ethereum, and let's choose some kind of other chain, maybe like a XRP or Solana. Two different options. Let's say one Ethereum, this is just for an example, we're going to be getting 24.72 of Sol, and this is a private option. And of course, like I stated earlier, it's a little bit more expensive. If we switch to just a bridge mode, you'll get more, like 30% or a little bit over 30% of Solana more, and it's gonna apply to every other currencies as well. So we're just gonna leave the settings like this. Also, you can connect your wallet if you like, so that way you can just sign a transaction there. But in this video, I'm just gonna show you without even connecting your wallet. Connect if you choose to use your wallet, and they have many different options to connect, like Phantom, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and they have Wallet Connect that supports many other wallets as well. In this case, let's just leave the settings that I set right here and then press on confirm. Then the next thing what we need to do, we need to paste Sol address here. Go to your Phantom or MetaMask wallet. Let's say, for example, in here, I'm gonna copy one of my Solana addresses in here and then paste that address here. Just verify, double check before you click on create swap, and then create swap. Then it's gonna take you to the process. Here's what you need to do. You'll need to send exactly one Ethereum to this address, or like I stated earlier, you can do Wallet Connect or connect your wallet. Also, you can show QR code if you are actually doing this from your phone. And then once you're gonna send the money there, wallet's gonna receive, it's gonna start the process, and then you can press on transaction detail. It's gonna show you everything step by step, or pretty much the entire progress. And then once it's done, it's gonna switch to 4.4, and that's it. You'll receive 1 ETH or you'll receive 24 Sol, either private way you chose, or you can use this as a bridge between different chains as well. And link for Baltex.io I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.